Love you, Sis Michael. Love you. Love you.
See the color. Come on, let's see. Come on, look. Look at the color. It's very a golden brown color. You know, it's very juicy.
Yeah,
Can you say about her dish?
This dish, we made it, yeah, we showed you how to make it. You know why it's juicy? Because there is a 8 o'clock in there, a juice, tang. And 8
There's
o'clock.
some what they call this, some technique. Because sometimes when you fry some chicken, lalo na if it's not what they call this, a deep fry,
Yeah.
we need to make use of the chicken. So the what do you call that? The oil will cook the chicken even if there's a lot of breading, you know, because sometimes breading can make your chicken hilaw eh.
Yeah. It can prevent it from being cooked.
Yeah. So we need to make use of the chicken around.
It's called
What?
tok-tok tilaok manok because when you eat it, your initial reaction will be like a chicken, you know. So, masarap eh.
Yeah, very delicious.
No, I'll tell a story about this, how delicious this dish is. I went to a place, it's called,
Or they can you please get the plate for it. Okay.
I'll get,
No. You can get inside. No. Because the chicken is already done. Okay. Look at the chicken. There. It's very good.
yeah, you know, I'll tell a story. I'll tell a story about how delicious this chicken is. I went to a place called Looban in Tondo, Manila. The people there are very generous. After they ate this, they killed this.
Can you see the chicken? Can you see it?
I can see it.
This is our second dish, the tok-tok tilaok manok.
Yeah.
Okay, our third dish is this delicious. So
It's
here,
delicious.
we're going to again. I'm heating the pan again with the oil. Then afterwards, if the oil is already hot, we're going to put the fish, but one by one only. Huh?
This fish is one of a kind. You know why? Because we got it in City Hall, the market in City Hall.
Yeah.
And the people there are very generous and very kind. So if we were going to a market, you should go to City Hall because the people there are very accommodating and they give you only the best fishes in the Philippines. Yeah, I'm serious.
So again, the oil is hot now already. So I'm going to get one chicken. No,
That's fish.
I'm sorry, a fish. Right there.
This fish originally came from General Santos City.
Yeah. Okay, slowly.
Where money lives, money.
There.
Pacquiao.
Okay, sorry. We can cook
Two fishes
2 fishes at a time.
at the same time, you know.
Oh, you see that?
This is the audience winner, Evelyn.
Okay, this is. I'm sorry, guys. Please try.
See, let's see.
Can you see? Look. There. See? The black there, the black line right there. That's what we call scale.
Scale. You know what the scale is? When you rate something in a scale of 1 to 10.
No.
I'm sorry.
Scale is the one you step on it. Like
When
then
you're
you
going,
can-
when you're going up. I thought scale is when you are watching a horror movie. Oh, I'm scaling. Is that it?
Maybe.
Yeah?
Maybe.
Yeah, okay. Remember word of the day?
Scale. Okay? Remember that scale.
Yeah, scale.
So what can you say about our
I guess
by the way,
it's
guys, this dish, okay, this is our last dish,
fish dish.
yeah, for the day. don't worry, you'll be back for another set of meals
Yeah.
tomorrow.
We'll be back
Again.
in just a short while. We'll be back next class.
Okay.
Next year.
Yeah, but you know what, guys, cooking is an art.
An art.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's an art.
Cooking is an art. You know, just like you saying, you know, cooking is an art. Yeah, art. Yeah, later, happy Halloween. Yeah. Art, the way you...
Like an art. Our neighbor, Art de la Cruz.
No, art.
Ah, okay.
You know the Batman? When you
Ah, oh.
art, that's very bad.
Now I know.
Another word for the day, guys.
Art.
Art.
Hi,
Art is the...
Hi, Art. We'll pay the rent later when we get home.
Okay, art.
Maybe Art. You know Art.
Art to groceries.
Ah, Art. Yeah. Art.
That's right.
I thought Art is a planet where we live in.
Art,
you know?
that's right.
Yeah. Venus, Mercury, Art.
Art.
Yan is the sun, di ba?
Yeah.
Art.
That's right, that's right. You know what? You're very funny, ah.
You're very smart. I like you. Can you hear Bani Islam?
Okay.
You're very happy right now. Yeah, forget about the fish. Cook the fish.
Going to check on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fry the fish.
By
Fry
the
the
way,
fish.
In this kind of pan, don't use this kind of pangganan. Handle.
Cooking instrument. Yeah.
Okay, instrument.
Yeah.
You are? You don't know what this is, ah?
That's not one.
What?
Says this isa. What isa?
Isa. She's an actress.
Ah, okay. Isa.
Yeah, you know Isa Arcaldo.
Yeah. Sexy body, no?
Yeah. So, yeah, Coca-Cola shake, the 2 liters.
Coca-Cola, yeah. Cooking can.
No, 2 liters.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. Do you have anything to say? I guess.
I guess for the viewers out there, it should meet us, for nice people. Besides, aside from we're good in cooking, we're also good in other aspects,
Actually, cooking. We're good in cooking.
Yeah.
Not just this kind of cooking. You know, the other first cooking.
Cooking like a while ago, my week in the studio, someone was cooking for you. I was calling for you. She approached me. Hey, have you seen Michael? No. I was cooking for me too. Yeah.
So you mean there are a lot of girls cooking for me? Huh?
Yeah. Sure, a cook.
You're a chef.
I mean, no cook. Yeah. Yeah, the soft drinks. Yeah, cook.
Drinks.
The soft drinks, boy.
Yabay.
You know, soup.
Do you know the, cook light? Cook light.
Cook light. I know cook light.
Cook light.
I used to do that when I was in California,
Yeah, the cook
Like,
light.
all of the people there say, hey Joe, why didn't you cook light? I said, no, I'm okay. I'm a Filipino, I only drink water. Water from the poso, occasionally.
You used to drink the waters from the mountains,
I used to drink water from the rain, from the sky.
You make salong-salong
Ulan,
the water.
Yeah. And then
No,
I don't tell her. I use it in my mouth. Yeah.
But you know, it's healthy, It's healthy.
Yeah,
No,
healthy, healthy, like the sort.
No, it's not like that. You mean salty.
I'm sorry.
Healthy.
Healthy. Okay. Healthy.
Yeah.
Healthy.
I think that's what it is.
Healthy.
Yeah.
Healthy is something that is good to your body, not just physically, but it affects your emotional feeling, like mental, not just physically.
Yeah,
It helps you do other stuff that you can do.
what's that?
Like when you're not healthy.
Third is driving.
What's healthy?
Okay. Again, what's healthy?
No, I'll explain it to you later after the show. Yeah.
Because our audience are... Okay, guys, we're going to check on the fish. Okay. Here. See? Can you see it? Look at the fish. Do you want